thought I would make a quick video and show you how to put together my hand sanitizer wrapper. I have had a version of this for the old size of Bath & Body Works hand sanitizers, but I've redone it with the new size for the newer little pocket back hand sanitizers from Bath & Body. So it's really easy to put together. I've got all the pieces cut out here. I've gone ahead and layered the little circle and the snowflake and put the covering panels on the main piece. And I will show you how to put together the little base here. Go ahead and fold towards the inside on all those score marks, and we're going to just put glue here on this long tab on the side first of all and start forming this little box. These make cute little wrappers for gifts for the holidays, or you can dress them up for any occasion. Just a fun way to give a simple little gift. A lot of times it's all in the thought and the packaging, so it's a really inexpensive way to let somebody know you're thinking of them at the holidays. Or like I said, any time of the year. You could give these for birthdays or party favors or all sorts of things. So go ahead and glue those little tabs in place there. So basically there's those 3 glue tabs, the long one and the 2 short sides. It forms a box that looks kind of like a little Kleenex box with the opening here at the top, and our little hand sanitizer fits perfectly in that space. So then you have the rest of the wrapper here. The bottom of the wrapper, it basically looks like this. You're going to just place your little Kleenex shaped box down here in the bottom. The top's going to just wrap around, and we're going to use this wrapper to close it all off. But let's go ahead and put some adhesive here on the bottom of our box and glue it into the bottom smallest section of the wrapper. You want to make sure and leave the bracket edge free, and go ahead and glue this just on the bottom to this bottom section. And I've got a covering panel down on the bottom of that. You would not have to do that, but I think it just makes the project a little more stable and sturdy. So then you've got your little hand sanitizer. You'll want to put that in, and you've got your little wrapper. It looks like this, and you can just put your little snowflake either up or down, whatever you want to do. Let's see, I think I'll put it up actually. And then just take those 2 sides, and there's score marks everywhere that you need to fold, so it makes it nice and easy for you. Just wrap that around, and we're going to attach it here on the back. So just have those overlap, and we'll just use a little, I'm going to use tape runner on this one, so I don't have to wait for it to dry. Put that in there, and then just close that off. And that'll make it tight enough where you can actually take that front flap and untuck it, and it'll open it up. So there you have this darling little hand sanitizer wrapper, a cute way to give a little hand sanitizer for the holidays. I hope you enjoy making these, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.